In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect N8N to Google Calendar. Let's dive into setting up this seamless integration, ensuring you can manage your calendars effortlessly right from within N8N. First things first, you'll want to open your N8N instance and create a fresh workflow. This is going to be the backbone of your connection, so take a moment to make sure you're ready for the step-by-step setup. Once your new workflow is in front of you, you'll notice a plus button. This is your portal to adding new nodes to your workflow, which are essentially the building blocks of automation in N8N. You'll want to click this plus button, which will open up a menu where you can search for the tools and services you'd like to integrate with. In our case, you're going to search for Google Calendar. As you see the Google Calendar node pop up in the search results, go ahead and select it. This node will allow you to communicate with your Google Calendar directly from N8N, handling events, tasks, and schedules with ease. Now that you have your Google Calendar node in place, it's time to ensure it can talk to your Google account securely. This brings us to authentication, a crucial step in allowing N8N to access and manage your calendar data. Head over to the Node settings, where you'll find a section labeled Credentials. Click on this section to reveal your options for linking your Google account. You'll want to create new credentials, which is as simple as clicking Create New. When setting this up, you'll need to select OAuth2 as your authentication method. OAuth2 is a widely used protocol that allows applications like N8N to securely access your Google account without needing your actual password, ensuring both security and peace of mind. Once you've chosen OAuth2, you'll be guided through Google's process for logging into your account. Be sure to follow the prompts carefully. You'll likely need to provide your Google login details, and you may be asked to verify your identity. As you proceed, Google will ask you to grant N8N the necessary permissions to access your calendar. This is an important step, as it ensures your calendar data can be accessed, read, and modified as needed for your workflows. If any permission requests seem unclear or confusing, remember that these are standard procedures enabling N8N to fully utilize Google Calendar functionalities. And there you have it. With your Google account authenticated, your N8N workflow is all set to interact with Google Calendar. This simplifies the way you handle calendar events and brings added efficiency to your scheduling processes. Keep experimenting with different nodes and automation possibilities within N8N to make the most out of your integrations. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.